Your car's paint is constantly exposed to scratches, chips, and weather damage. So what's better, vinyl wrap or paint protection film? Let's break it down. Vinyl wrap is a thin film applied over your vehicle's paint that changes appearance. It comes in colors, textures, and finishes like matte, gloss, satin, and carbon fiber. Wraps are fully removable, so you can change your car's look without affecting the original paint. Paint protection film, or PPF, is a clear layer applied over your paint to protect it from damage. It acts like an invisible shield against rock chips, scratches, and road wear. Some films even have self-healing properties for light scratches. Vinyl wraps are all about style and customization. PPF is all about protection and preserving your factory paint. Wraps change how your car looks, while PPF keeps it looking new. Choose PPF if your priority is long-term paint protection and resale value. Not sure which option is right for you? Contact Sun Control Minnesota and our team can help you choose the best option for your vehicle.